After we receive the sprayer, we first open the package. All accessories are in the sprayer tank. Open the lid. There's a speed knob inside. Install it here. Then take out all the accessories inside. We need to install the pad at this position of the lens. Install the lens and the switch together. Install another pad on the upper part of the lens. Then, assemble the nozzle here. This groove is installed here. It is used to fix the lens. We have a nozzle as a giveaway. Extra nozzles can be placed in this small storage box. Attach waterproof cover here. Finally, attach the strap. It's all done now.